Okay. So once we get it centered, when it looks like it's standing still, no wobbles, and if just talk about the wobbles. So like if it's level on top but it's going side to side, that means your left hand not being steady enough. Okay? And if it's steady that way but it's going up and down, then that means your right hand is not being steady enough. And then we go from here out to here. So the left hand is just to brace the right hand as we mash down in the center with our wrist bone. And then a needle. Have you got a needle?
Yes.
I need it. Okay, thank you. So we take a measurement in the center. And then once we have that established, we know what it is, and we flatten the whole thing out, make it all level, same level as the center.
I think this is yours, David.
Okay.
Right
Yeah. And then left thumb right in front. And see how I'm pushing on my thumb with my other hand to help keep it steady as I go in. And then we want to make the rim straight and level again. And so the left hand is just holding, just touching, but not squeezing as I push down on top with my right forefinger. And as I push down on it, I start squeezing a little bit with the left hand and hold it there to make it all straighten out. That's a big air bubble right there. If you get air bubbles in there, you just poke holes around the edge of it and press all the air out of it, close it up. Okay, so we do that to straighten it up. And then we use our left hand to push in with our thumb at the bottom against our fingertip on the inside, and then come up. I want to make it the same thickness here and all the way down as I made it in the base. Like that. And then we trim the excess off at the bottom. And then shape it. So to make things wider, we put pressure from the inside, slow and steady, pushing it down. We can give the rim different kinds of shapes. Smooth it. Then use the sponge to clean it up. And that's it. Okay. When you go to pick these up after if you want to transfer it from the bat, you may need to cut it again if it's been sitting there for a while. It may stick. But you cut it and then put your fingers underneath the far side, way down the bottom, and lift up a little bit so then you can get your other hand further underneath and work your fingers underneath like that until you can pick it up and then set it down on a board or wherever you're going to go with it. And walk your fingers back out like that. Okay? That's